Hello and welcome back to UniCAD tutorial. In previous some videos we learned how to design a knuckle joint, how to add text on any object. If you're not visited that video, please visit, link is in description or in I button. In this video we are going to talk about a very important thing, which is rib. To strengthen the object we give rib. So let's talk how to give this rib on any flat surface. In this video we are going to make this type of design on which we are going to give a rib. So let's talk about today's tricks and tips. I'm going to share a website which give you lots of assemblies of SolidWorks project, which is graphcad. So just go to the Chrome and search here graphcad.com and just select this first website and search here whatever you want in mechanical field. Okay, so I am searching here knuckle joint. You can see here lots of option is there. You just have to log in here and download it. Okay, now before that, if you are visiting this channel for first time, so I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so you can get latest notification about this channel. So thank you so much. Let's start today's video. In this video we are going to learn how to give a rib on any flat surface. So first of all, select a plane, then go for the basic sketch like line, make a L type shape here like this, and just give it a dimension by smart dimension as 100 mm and give it here as 80 mm. So gap between these two is 20. Now give it here 100 mm and same here as 80 mm. Okay, now go for extrude up to 100 mm. Okay, save this. Now to give a central rib, we have to generate a mid plane or a extra plane for this rib. So go for plane here and just select a reference plane. Now go to this part, then here select a reference plane as a front plane. Okay, now give it here 50 mm as a difference between these two planes. Okay, now save this and sketch this plane. Okay, take it right plane view. Okay, now edit this plane. Give it here a line for this lean rib. Okay, now line is generated here on this L shape object, and now go for here rib in features. Just select here rib. You can see here there are three options. One is one-sided rib, is second is midpoint rib, or last one is the another side, opposite side rib. Okay, now we are going to select here a midpoint rib. Okay, you can give here a dimension also. I'm giving here 10 mm as a rib dimension, rib width. Now you can see here rib is generated on this object, and note here the rib is only generated on flat surface, not on cylindrical surface. Okay, now you can give here a color to this rib like this. Now you can also give color to this L type object. Just select this object and give it for appearance and give it here color. You can change this color like this. Press right and go for this object Okay, now you can choose any of this color here. Okay, now it is perfect. So you can make this type of rib on any flat surfaces like this. Okay, you can give it here a fillet. Just select fillet on features and just select edge of this object and give it here dimension as 50 mm. Yeah, you can see here you just have to select the edge of this object to give the fillet. You can give here also, you go to the fillet and choose this edges like this and dimension as 50 mm. You can give also a chamfer here which is present in fillet. Just select this below edge of this object. Okay, now chamfer is done on here. Just select here dimension in left side as 50 mm. Now done this. Yeah, you can see here chamfer is done on this object. The basic difference between the fillet and the chamfer is fillet have circular cut or chamfer have a flat cut. I'm just taking this chamfer for this for understanding purpose only. It is not necessary here, so delete this chamfer. Sorry, the object is deleted, so just select this chamfer and delete this. Okay, now go for forward. Let's see how to modify our object. For modify our object, we have to select here a boss extrude sketch. Okay, like this. Just edit this sketch and go for the increase this length 150 mm. Okay, also increase the upper length, make it 130. Done this. Okay, now done this. Okay, now you can see here the object is modified. So we have to modify our rib. So go to the rib sketch and just select this point, upper point, and delete this midpoint relation, and just drag this point to upper surface, upper area. Okay, now you can see here and just done this. Okay, you can see here the rib is also modified. We have to make a slot through this object here on below surface. Just select this surface and sketch it and make it here a center line first. Okay, now center line is generated here. Okay, 1 minute. Now done. Go for this slot here and just select here on this center line. Okay, now drag this mouse only. Just yeah, it's done. Okay, make it here and give it here dimension as 20 mm length of this slot. Just select this 2 point or just select the line. Okay, 20 mm, and now go for the radius of this slot as 10 mm. Okay, now give it here distance between this last end or this center of this first slot. Yes, center. Okay, now go for the extrude cut. So go to this feature and this extrude cut and select here direction 1 as through all. Okay, in left side, and just done this. Okay, you can see here a slot is generated on this surface. Okay, or object. Now you can see this cut in 360. Now you just have to drag. You just have to press the scroll button and drag your mouse for this view. Okay, now we have to go for the next holes on this other surface. Just select this and sketch on this object. Just select and press right and sketch. Okay, now sorry, it's wrong. Just select center line here first on of this object. Okay, done. Okay, now go for the circle here. We have to generate 2 circles here. So first one is generated and the second one is also generated now is here. Okay, now give it relation, this equal relation. So just press Ctrl and select these 2 circles and go give it here equal. Okay, now it's equal. So go for the dimension as 10 mm. Sorry, it's so tiny, or go for 20. It's so big, so mediate. Okay, 115 or 15 mm. Okay, now go for the distance between this two end, or you can say center point of this circle, so as 20 mm, as uh, same procedure for below circle as 20 mm. Okay, now distance between this two circle as now take this, just select this 2 point and give it here as 30 mm, and give it 20 mm from below. Okay, as 20 mm. Now save this and go for the mirror. Just select these two center points and mirror about axis of this object. Okay, I've done this, and go for the features and extrude cut. Okay, now select here through all in direction 1. Okay, now done this. Yeah, you can see here a hole is generated on this object. Yeah, you can see here this reef and these holes are generated on this surface. Thank you so much for watching this video.